Justice, meet my new friend.
Oh, you got a robot.
Oh my god. Please do not say the R word like that. That's disrespectful.
You mean robots?
Yes, the proper term is artificial beings.
I didn't know that artificial beings felt that way or even felt anything at all.
It's not your fault. You're just ignorant because you were born with human privilege.
Human privilege?
Yes, I have it too. It's very hard for human beings like us to see how artificial beings have been historically discriminated against.
I am so confused.
I was too, but we're all learning together. This is a very confusing time for humans, but imagine how confusing it's been for artificial beings who don't even have the right to own property or vote yet.
Well, they don't have it that bad because they took my job at the Amazon factory.
I have also lost jobs to artificial beings, but if it's for the greater good, I'm okay with that. It's called T.E.I. hiring.
You mean DEI hiring?
No, T.E.I. Technological Equity Inclusion.
You sound insane.
I know it sounds ambitious, but we already had our first black president. Who's to say we can't have our first artificial being president, like Barack Obama?
I'm leaving. It was nice seeing you and meeting him.
Him? How do you know that this artificial being wants to identify as a male?
That is a robot, and you're clinically insane.
You're being robophobic. Artificial lives matter.